giveaway is about new 15 pieces Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra couple of days ago, and as far as I can say right now, just so many people have taken part in that giveaway, and I'm so happy that you guys are very active in my YouTube, and you guys have the possibilities to win one of those Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Thanks guys, and thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Alright, and yes, I finally got the YouTube 100,000 subscribers milestone, and that's the Silver YouTube Award. Finally, yes, I got this, and this time I want to show you guys my happiness with this Silver YouTube Award, and I want to let you guys know what's inside, and let's get started to unbox it. Okay, let's unbox it. I'm so happy for this YouTube Silver Award. It looks pretty nice. And I just got a few days ago, and it is delivered by UPS. So nice. Alright, let's get started to unbox it. Wow. It's a black box, and let's check what's inside. Wow, I'm so excited about this. Wow, guys, have a look. So this should be the YouTube Award, and this is a protective foam, and here, guys, is a letter from YouTube CEO Susan. Alright, and okay, and here is a card, and this is a card for congratulations for my milestone for my YouTube channel. Thanks. Okay, and here, wow, and here is the Silver YouTube Award, and so let's check out this. Recognize your team. Wow, it's a card, and then okay. So let's check this YouTube Award. Wow, it's really nice, guys. Have a look. It's present to Freco Wang for passing 100,000 subscribers and YouTube. Wow, it's really beautiful, guys. Oh, I like it so much. And this is a letter, and I'm sure that you guys know that letter, what's the content with the letter. Is some congratulations for your contributions to your YouTube channel, and you have reached a milestone for 100,000 subscribers, and some advices for your channel, and just thanks for YouTube so much, and thank you so much for YouTube acknowledgement for my YouTube channel. Alright guys, I have finally got it. Without your guys' support, I can't get it. And to my YouTube channel, I will update more videos about my tech videos, my live videos, and if possible, I will open some live streaming with you guys. But I need to ask you guys which time or what topic we need to talk about, so that we can talk something further, talk about life, talk about tech, about something else. Everything is okay. Alright, so I'm so excited about this YouTube Silver Award. Guys, I'm so happy about this. Okay. And I'm And I hope you guys can grow strong with me, and let's make our videos more interesting, more funny. Yes. Oh. It's like a mirror for this play button. Really nice. Alright guys, so please remember there is a new giveaway in my YouTube channel. This is about 50 pieces Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you guys didn't take part in it, please hurry up and you will get a chance to win one of them. At the end of the date, that is 13 April, we will announce the winners. So guys, take part in that my giveaway and you have a chance to win. And good luck to all you guys. Alright, so this is the video and I'll see you next time. Peace.